Okay, this is the modular type uh, device, which is in Siemens S7 1200. The package, the LAN portal, and the input signal, which is gonna be come on each and every point and come and connect in that particular line. So this is the LAN cable. So the LAN cable is directly connected on the PLC and on the Weidmüller module. So you can see from here. So this is already connected in this module, and in another scenario it's gonna be connected on the PLC portal. So this is in order to connect the PLC with this LAN portal. So this is one of the most powerful